What's that? Look at that. They're up there. I'm in a danger. Just now they just poop on my camera. You'll see. You'll see. There are lots of pigeon, mashallah, available here. Mostly are locals and a few are mixed around. These two are very, very puffy and cute one. Oh, look at that. There's someone, I'm not sure if that's on eggs. There are small berries, you can see it's beside. They're trying to flying away. You'll see once she gives the food how they come over. সবগুলো দিতে হবে নাকি? বেশি দিও না। এমনি তো মুট করে দাও। ওকে। আয়। চলবো আর দিও না। ডাক দো। এত দিও না, নষ্ট হইব খাবার। সকালে বলে একবারই দেয় খালি। They just ate in this morning, so not so hungry right now. I'm just flying around. Someone just pooped on my camera earlier, so I'm in danger. Good ones. এখন অনেক গরম মনে হয় টিনটা, এই কারণে আসতে চায় না নাকি? টিন গরম না এখন?
বিকাল টাইমে দিলে
এগুলো কি গোসলের জন্য? গোসল করে? Shower. It's one of the small garden right there in the balcony. Those flowers, the yellow flowers, are not that unique, but still people selling quite expensive if you want to get a plant. There are flowers and cotton gardens